In this video, you'll learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Indeed so you can better protect your account and your personal information. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll have an extra layer of security set up and ready to go. Let's start from the very beginning. Signing into your Indeed account. Open your web browser and go to the Indeed website. On the home page, look for the sign-in option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. Here, enter the email address and password associated with your Indeed account. If you have multiple email addresses, make sure you're using the one you originally used when creating your Indeed profile. Once your details are entered, click the button to sign in and wait a moment for your dashboard or home page to load. Today, I'll show you how to move from your main account view into your account settings. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon or your name. Click on that to open a small menu. In that menu, you should see an option labeled something like Account Settings or Settings. Go ahead and click it. This will open a page where you can manage different parts of your Indeed account, such as your personal information, email preferences, and security options. Now, within Account Settings, we're going to navigate to your security settings. On this page, look for a section or tab called Security, Login and Security, or something similar. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates to the site, but it will clearly relate to sign-in or security options. Click on that section. This is where Indeed stores the settings that control how you log in, including your password and two-factor authentication. I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-factor authentication from here. In the security area, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. There will usually be a toggle, a button, or a link that lets you enable it. Click to turn it on. At this point, Indeed will guide you through a setup process. This might involve confirming your email address, adding a phone number, or using an authentication app, depending on the options Indeed currently supports. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you're asked to verify a phone number, you'll typically receive a code by text message. Enter that code exactly as shown to confirm it's really you. If you're using an authenticator app, you may need to scan a QR code or enter a setup key and then type in the code the app generates. Take your time with this step and double-check each code before you submit it. Once you've completed these steps, Indeed may show you backup or recovery options, such as backup codes. It's a good idea to store these somewhere safe, like a secure password manager, in case you ever lose access to your phone. When the setup is finished, you should see that two-factor authentication is now marked as active in your security settings. To be sure everything is working, you can sign out of your account and sign back in. After entering your email and password, Indeed should ask for a verification code. Enter the code you receive and you're in. I'll show you the easiest way to keep this secure going forward. Don't share your codes with anyone, and if you ever lose your device, update your two-factor settings as soon as possible. That's all it takes to enable two-factor authentication on Indeed and give your account a much stronger layer of protection.